Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can show the extensions of file in Windows 11 or Windows 10 so that we can know what kind of file it is. What I mean by that is, as you can see here right now, we're just seeing names, but we don't know the extensions. So this might be a photo, this might be a video, we don't know. But we know this is a video by seeing the icon of VLC Media Player, but some of these don't have that icon. So let's see how we can see the extensions so we can be sure. Okay, so click on this view here, hover over show. And here you will see file name extensions. Now click on this, and as you can see, now we can see the extensions. So this is .mov, this is .mp4, and if we have images, it will be .jpg, .png or something like that. So now changing this here changes this everywhere. So if I go to any other folder like downloads, as you can see, .png is visible here. So changing this extension here changes it everywhere. Here also, as you can see, we have some MOVs and some MP4s. Now if I go inside temp, again, this is a text file, this is a JSON, and this is an APK. So everything after the dot is the file extension. So this is how you can show the extensions of file in Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.